Hi guys, happy Friday! Y-A-Y, Friday! It's book character day, and I am Ratatouille from the popular book and motion picture, Ratatouille. Let's get with our celebrations. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to reload this. We are gonna start with ST Math. Shout out to Gael for having 109 puzzles this week. That is awesome. Sammy also had 109 puzzles. Omar had 72 puzzles, and Karen has 122. Let's give them some silent shine. Nice. Next for ST Math, we have Raul, who got 94 puzzles, Ani Yeli, who got 120 puzzles, Gabriel got 52 puzzles, Navian got 60, Jackie got 63, and Diego got 70. Let's give them 3 claps on 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Awesome. Let's get down to Lexia. Woo! Do this little number. There we go. We're dancing because it's Friday. We do our celebration videos on Friday. I'm gonna have them hold up my little face like this, like she's holding it up. That's so silly. Anyway, these are all the friends who met their goals this week in Lexia. Remember, our goal is to have at least 10 units, and Sammy almost tripled his goal. He has 28 units. That is so awesome. So congratulations. If you are on this slide, Misalia, Navian, Zoe, Ariana, Luis, Karen, Omar, Jackie, Raul, Diego, and Sammy, awesome, awesome work. Thumbs are way up. And let's get to our certificates. Emery completed a level 6, and here's some shine. Valeria completed level 12. That is great. Sammy completed level 6. Awesome, awesome work. Whoop. Raul completed level 5. Yippity-doo-dah. Diego completed level 11. Doo-doo. Navian completed level 9. Wow, great work. Ariana completed level 5. Super, super great. And, oops, I'm going too fast. Isabella completed level 11. Awesome job, Isabella. Omar completed level 7. Love to see it. And you guys did such a great job. Keep on working on Lexia and Gigi and all of your hard work on Google Classroom. Have a great weekend.